night, and some of us have had really a long day, and we need to close. Yeah, so kindly let's start with an opening prayer. My brother Ben, if you don't mind, you can give us an opening prayer, brother. Thank you very much. Yeah, so organize this session major to update you about certain things. So here I believe we have people in group trading and further, and those in copy trading. Yeah. So um, like I always told you in the previous session, by the way, we had a session yesterday about risk management, risk and money management program. Yeah, I would like you colleagues to watch that video because that's the same way how it's going, how those people are going to be trading. It's going to be almost in the same way that we are going to be moving. Yeah, but then it's going to be like this. Um, Last year it was a long year. We had ups and downs. Yeah, but I do give glory to the Almighty God that we did not just leave the challenges unattended to. I did what? I tried to come up with a lot of strategies that can help us to overcome the different challenges that we had our last year. And one of the things that I discovered last year was that um, we are the traders, but being the traders, um, we can take many trades, like let's say 5 trades, 6 trades. But then I discovered that um, focusing on one quality trade or two quality trades in a day can be more consistent and can be more profitable than having several trades. Yeah, so along our journey, for those in copy trading, yeah, like I told you that we all want money. Yeah, we all want money, even though these accounts are going to be connected to my account. Actually, I already connected. Actually, today has been like the few people who are having challenges. I sorted them today, and right now for those in copy trading, we are fully everyone is set, and those who have not, if there's anyone in copy trading and you never sent me your MTF login details, and even I never reached out to you to ask you for your login details, or even ask you for correction of your MT5 password, then it means that you are left behind. Yes, so if you are here and you didn't give me your MT5 login details and you subscribed for copy trading, today is the final day. Yeah, before um by by 12 a.m. everything um regarding copy trading connections will be done, and then those who will not be fully connected by 6:12 a.m. will have missed moving with us. Will have missed moving with us. Yeah, because we are targeting to have this journey for an entire year, not only a month, yeah, not only 2 months. Yeah, so I have tried to sort out each and every one what challenges those who are deposited on MT4 yet we're using MT5. I've tried so much to sort them out. And those who had wrong passwords, and actually it came to my attention that some people even were not knowing even how to connect it to MT, were not even knowing how to check up for their MT5 account numbers. So it's been really um, a week whereby those I thought that the people had given me right information, but most of them had given me wrong information and been trying to sort them out. But that is done. That is done, and everyone in copy trading, okay, like what I can say is that everyone in copy trading, you try to reach out to me in my inbox after this meeting. Try to inbox me a message here to confirm for your connection. Yeah, then if I inboxed you and your account had issues, try to reach out to me so that we can sort that quickly. Yeah. Then the other thing is that now when it comes to group trading account, um, for my people in group trading account, yes, so far some people too had enrolled, but they had not yet deposited. Some they have been trying to sort out deposits, and so far I believe most of them, or almost everyone in the group, is done. I think that it's remaining only like one, like two people maximum, and they have to deposit today or not to be on tomorrow. So when it comes to group trading, this is how we're going to be moving. I'm going to give you login. I'm going to give you investor login details and passwords, whereby you can be following up on the account, but you cannot be able to take a trade. Same thing to those in copy trading. Kindly, if you're in copy trading, I remind you, don't take any trade. The moment you realize that you took any trade, yet you give me the account for copy trading, then I'll be opting you out, because that will be affecting our what? Our effectiveness. So we're going to move this journey together. So don't just keep positive. We move. If you would like to have a different trading account, then have a different. If you'd like to be or to also be trading, then have a different trading account, as some of you have done. Some of you here in risk and money management program, where I'm going to be sharing even signals. They have opened different accounts, also deposited their own capital for their own trades, but not to take trades on the copy trading account. So take caution of that. Um, Now the other most important thing that I would like um, to talk about is that um, the trades that we're going to be having, um, you're going to be you're going to be you're going actually I'm not going to be trading alone. We're going to be trading almost together because this is how it's going to be. Um, if I'm to take a trade, um, I believe everyone can see my screen. If I'm going to take a trade, um, I will have to, like for example, right now gold is retracing. But there those who attended the weekly market analysis, I believe you remember we talked about this retracement. So I'm not surprised that gold today had in some. Today it's been having a short selling trend because in the one it had reached the trend line resistance, so we expected this retracement, but are still in the buying trend. Currently gold for sellers have to close sellers have to close below this area towards 2820. Yeah, but as long as the market is still above 2820, sellers will still keep being strong. So this is how we're going to be trading. Yeah. Now, like for example, this is a selling trend. We have this short selling trend, whereby we expect for us to take sell entries in this retracement. Just giving an example, can be like waiting for this market to get back at this point, or here, because this is a demand zone, this is a supply zone, or here, then we take sales because the market will be retracing back here. So this is how it's going to be. We are going to this is how our strategy is going to be. We are going to be trading in uh, we're going to be trading in zones. We're going to be trading in zones, buying from support, selling from resistance, depending on the trend. And I'm very sure that this strategy is going to enable us have a successful journey. So this is how it will be. After making analysis and I see that this will be a good entry for ourselves. I will highlight our stop loss depending on our risk, and then I also highlight our take profit what. Then I will highlight our take profit zone. So then I will also highlight our take profit zone. Mm, mhm. So we shall have something like this, whereby we shall have something like this, which is highlighting our entry point, just like the example that I've given you that right now gold is retracing. And as long as until sellers close below um 20, when this market closes below 28, sorry 28.20, then sellers you have broken that trend line support of the buying what of the buying market. But as long as you're still trading above 28.20, then anytime the market is going to resume its buying trend, because we saw that on day one the market had reached the trend line resistance, and then we had to have in somewhat some retracement. So when I make an analysis like this, whereby um, I'm seeing I'm having a demand a supply zone here, like as it is here, and then it's a selling trend, it's a selling retracement, then I can just wait for the market to get into this, into my entry point. Then that's when I will take my entry. Then I give it stop loss and take profit. So after entering the market, after placing any trade, then I'll be I'll be sharing to you. I'll be sharing to you that's something like this, and the reason as to why we are taking this trade. Yeah, and the reason as to why we are taking this trade. So, like here, we have a demand zone here. I'm expecting a retracement back here. When I get confirmation, then I enter my sell order. So, when I don't get a confirmation, then I cannot enter it. Yeah, but when I get confirmation, then I'll be entering it. Why am I opting for this strategy um, from all other strategies? It's because we it helps us to avoid the noise, in the market, meaning that even it minimizes the risk than selling in between support and resistance. When you sell in between resistance and support, then it can make your stop loss to be tight. But when you sell straight from resistance or buy from a supported zone, then with confirmation, then it minimizes the risk. So this is how we're going to be moving. So then after I getting so I'll not be sharing this before entering, because um some people um for corporate, like some people would like to, some people can use the same information. Yeah, but then I'll be sharing this after having took an entry, like after an hour. Yeah, when I've already entered. Or I'm going to, or I can, once in a while I'll be sharing before entering, but most of the times I'll not be sharing when I haven't entered the market. And by us focusing on this strategy, it will be helping us to keep being focused on to maximizing the profits as we minimize the what? As we minimize the risk. We all want money, but I don't want us to move um in a way that we're just taking trades. Like in a day we have like 10 trades, um 5 trades that can make us money 1 week or 2 weeks or even more, but then it will not help us to have a longer term journey. Yeah, so um the other thing is the other thing is we are going to the trades are going to be having some trades will be having longer take profit target. Like for example, for this trade, when I enter it here, I'll be having my TP around this point. So after entering, then the market starts going to profits. See that we're having like rates around $200. Then I can break even. Okay, like when you get like to $100, then I can break even. That is like for the group account. Yeah, there I can break even. When you get to $100, then I can secure the 100 while the order is still in. So you can find that some days you can have one order and we keep on trading that order for more than 2 days. Yeah. As long as we have break even or as long as we're trading in some profits, we shall not be stressed. Even if the market retraces and removes us with the stop loss or break even, as long as our capital is safe, that won't get us away. Yeah, but I want us to be, we're going to be targeting big profits. Big profits, not just us to make $100. No. Most of our trades, my target is going to be getting removed by break even or trading stop loss. Or even when I see that the market is almost hitting my TP, then I will just keep on adjusting my stop loss slightly near. Then we just keep on watching, we just keep on monitoring our trades. Even if the market reaches our take 50 level and then retraces and removes this back, that will be okay. I want us to move when they're not moving on pressure, but focusing on to quality and not having pressure of what? Not having pressure of making money. We all want money, but we want us to focus on quality. And by the way, this concerns more to those in corporate trading. Yeah, because when it comes to group trading, we have our target is only making 100% of our capital. So meaning that we can just have like we can even hit our target in like 5 days in a month or 10 days. Actually, some days we can even hit it earlier. Yeah. But for those in corporate trading, I don't want to have pressure for money. We want money. I'm also I know that while I keep on trading, your accounts are copying the trades, the profits that I'll be making for you, I'll be getting a share, but I'm not looking onto the profits. I'm looking onto as focusing on quality, maximizing risk and money management. So if your capital is $500 and then you see that the week has ended, we have made um we have made only $100. Yeah, that's fine. Eh? That's fine. Don't stress. This strategy that we're going to be using, I have tested it. I shared it to some other traders. They applied it and they also still keep on using it. So I want us to believe everyone to believe in this journey. We move together. So we are all going to be. And by the way, the thing is that I believe that this thing is not only going to help us to see that we generate some income, but it will also be helping you to learn because After taking a trade, then I'll have to be accountable to give you a reason to why we have took that trade. After entering, then I can share to you, reason that we are in a selling trend. The market reached the trend line. I'm expecting the marketing. I expected the market to reach to the trend line resistance, or this demand, or this supply zone, just like here, and then I waited for price action confirmation, which I received, and then that's why we have took this sell. So that's why I'm saying that we're going to be trading together, and that will also be helping you to do what? To also be mastering your skill. Yeah, so that also I'm not looking as only to only making money as we move on successful by the grace of Christ. I believe that we can. We are starting small, but I believe that we can move this, we can have this move successful, we shall have this move successful, and then have a bigger account, and then we can, from here, we can decide to be trading while also having, we're also trying to invest into other what? Into other projects. So it's a longer term target for group trading. Something to the corporate trading, we shall be sharing profits. Yeah, but then don't I don't want to I don't want to um, have something like this that you you expect like big targets. No, we shall be having when there are good opportunities, we shall utilize them to earn more. When there are no good entries, then we shall not be taking them. And the other thing that I'd like to tell is that um, I'm a full time I'm a full time trader. From Monday to Friday, I'm always on chat. Just that on Monday when I analyze the market, I see that the Monday is likely not to have any good move. Then I can get off chat because Monday sometimes the market is in choppy, or some kind of more consolidation. Yeah, but what you should just be knowing is that from Monday to Friday, I'm always going to be on that chat. I wake up early, I do the analysis, identify my entry point like here, then I relax. I keep on monitoring my trade. I keep on monitoring the market, waiting for the market to come into my zone to get price action confirmation to enter. Yeah. So when you see that um, on a certain day we have not had any trade, or we are still having a trade that we are still trading, or or there was or the market was in some kind of choppy, it wasn't having any good entry. So don't question the Tannington. Hey, mentor, today we never had any trade. Why? No. We are focusing on quality, not having quantity trades, having many trades when they are having low quality. Yeah. Then the other thing is that there's going to be I'm going to be focusing onto the market and the trades. So I'm not going to be so I'm not going to be, so for those so I'm going so there's going to be um someone else who will be helping me to confirm everyone's payment. For those in copy trading, the week is ending. We have made good profits. You have to share to me the 30%. Then there's someone who's going to be helping you and doing what? I want to making sure that um, everyone does what? Everyone sends his 30%. Yeah. But there are some people whereby we can have a very beautiful week and you find that someone whose capital is doubled, like let's say like 3 times, and then someone opts to not give me a share. That's fine. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, so you not be in box that, hey, why didn't you give me a share? Why didn't you send your share? No. You will just your account will just be there. It will just be what? Will just be deactivated from the what? From the system. Because one thing personally I know about the market is that beautiful opportunities will always be there. Beautiful opportunities will always be there. So you can make good money today, and you think that uh, you want to go away with that money. That's fine, but you just be knowing that you will have missed other more better opportunities. Actually, that's why I don't want us to trade on pressure, because good opportunities in the market will always be there. If the trend, if the market has already moved, you have not good to go to that move, it's fine. Yeah? You see these moves that God has been forming in the buying trend. These moves happened last year. They happened last year from October, and it was having all these good opportunities. And this is January, and same moves are coming back again. Last Friday, is it last Friday or the other Friday? God was buying rapidly, and those are the same things it did the Fridays of, like it did like 3 consecutive Fridays of last year. Is it around in November? I remember Ben. You remember those? Ben, I believe you remember those moves, those Fridays. Yeah, whereby the market used to on Fridays it used to may just buy rapidly, crazy. So beautiful opportunities, good. So beautiful opportunities will always be there in the market. We don't need to chase trades. As long as our capital is safe, we just wait for that good entry, we take it. If there's no good entry, call it a day, we then wait for another day. And I'm very sure that this move, it will take us very far, and we shall have a very successful and profitable journey. Then the other thing is that, um, yes, Ben. Mm, 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 mhm, mm, 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 yeah, the same way. Yeah, it's a market cycle. Like certain things keep on repeating. Certain things keep on repeating. And by the that's why some people they why they fail to succeed in this field is that they don't want to understand the market. They only look onto the money side of it. So people they want to get into trading quickly. They want to just get to profit, good profits, but then they don't look into understanding the market. But when you understand the market, you can see that certain things keep on repeating themselves, just like the way um, actually that weekly market analysis that we keep on having. I believe all of you who keep on attending, you can clearly see that the week closes whereby there's nothing new that we didn't expect. So now these selling moments, um, some people were not expecting them, but for us we expected it. We expected that selling what? That selling retracement before the market doing what? Continuing with its trend. Yes, so I want us to keep focusing onto this movement. Yeah, and then what just like I've informed you, I'll be sharing about when I'm going to take a trade. And then someone was telling me that if it's possible, you can just be having your chat live on YouTube, and then we can just be following up. But it will be once in a while when I share when I'm having live trades. Yes, whereby I share something like this, then we just wait for the market to come into that area for us to take trades. Yeah, but let's believe in the move. Let's move on together. If there is something that you'd like to understand more, don't fear to reach out to me. And if there is any suggestion that you have and you think that it can help us um to move successfully in this, then don't hesitate to do what? To share it to me. Don't hesitate to reach out to us. Yes, my brother raising a hand. Mm, 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 and also it's mm, yeah. Thank you. No, thank you, brother. I give glory for that pressure. Yeah, so that's how it's going to be. I'll be sharing my entry points after the trade having already moved into, let's say, like 50%. Yeah, then that's when I'll be sharing like something like this, and then reason as to why we entered that market. And I'm sure that something like that also, when people keep on like reading through why we took that trade, I believe it will also be helping them to grow the skill, because it can be like, oh wow, we entered it because of this demand zone or supply zone. Then you try. Then the next time the market tries to form something like that, then you can also be in a position to identify that same entry. Yeah. So the, that that information that I'll be sharing, don't do what? Don't ignore it. Read through it. Just like the same way that I say that just market sends you some emails about certain trading scenarios. Read through them. It can help you to avoid certain mistakes. Then the other thing is that um, I'm not going to be trading news. But then when news finds our entry in, I'll just make sure that I break even, or after have or when I'm having all my other, if the trade is still in, yeah, and let's say that I'm trading some profits and the market is still, and I do expect the market to reach a certain take profit target, then even if news is coming, I'll not close out that order. I'll just trail the stop loss and then I leave the order. But then when our trade, when the market comes into our entry point and it's just at the hour of the news, then there I will not be doing what? There I will not be entering. I have to leave the market, the news to take its to take its place. Then later, if I get other confirmation, then that's when we can enter. So expect few trades, but quality trades. We can end a week whereby we have had a maximum of 5 trades, which is okay as long as we followed the discipline of the market and we applied risk and money management. So I'm not going to be focusing on to having many trades. Yeah. And even if we're having trades, for those in copy trading, when you see a trade having good profits and I'm not closing it, no matter how you may see the market trying to retrace, don't close that trade. Yeah, because I have already calculated for that what for the for that entry. Yeah, but when you close out because you are seeing good profit, and then you think that Harrington has late to close the order, you can close out, but then we shall be removing it because you'll be against the what? Against our rules. Yes, so that's how we're going to be moving. Then the other thing is that we are going to be having weekly reviews. Yeah, we're going to be having weekly reviews about the what? About how the week was. Also, um, revising about certain trades that we had. Yeah, so utilize if you're in group trading, even group trading, don't just be there to enjoy, but utilize, don't miss all these sessions because you'll be learning something, and then at the end of the day, we can just have, at the end of the day, then we can just have, sorry, sorry, the network had removed me. So I was saying that um, it will be helping you to learn. Then after a long time, I believe we can have a board of traders whereby we are having a big capital, we can we can analyze good and big moves. Yeah, personally, I'm looking us to getting to a point whereby you have account of 300,000, 500,000 US dollars to $1 million plus. Yeah, and these things they are very achievable. There's a there's a church. Actually, it's a church. It's a church. It's in Congo, and this church. No, it's not. It's not in Congo. Yeah, it's in South Africa, and this church, yeah, their pastor mastered the skill of forex trading, and then he trained some of the people in the ministry, and then the the entire church came together, explained to them what the market is, took like a full month trying to show them the importance and the disadvantages of the market, what a risk is, and then the entire church loved the idea. They came up with a small investment, set up an account, and right now I was talking to one of the traders among their board, and their account right now it's in 700,000. Yeah, but they started in 2023. Yeah, and they're enjoying. They're not stressing people so much about certain things that hey, there's money for this. So I believe we can also achieve a big target as a community, and we move together, extending God's love and togetherness. Yeah, so that's how we're going to be moving. And then the other thing is that um, personally, I don't trade when I'm emotionally not fine. Yeah, so days when I'm not emotionally stable, then I will not be also trading. Yeah, but that's rare because I can manage I'm someone who mastered to manage my emotions, and I can just take a few minutes to be emotionally stable. Yeah. So that's all I had to share. Then the other thing is that um, we have already started. Actually, we have already started because even this meeting it means that we have already started because those who are here are only those who are in group trading, even copy trading. Yeah, but then expect more trades from next week. Yeah. So that's what I had to share. Anyone with a question or anything you'd like to supplement or inquire, then you can raise your hand and then you speak to us. Anyone with a question or anything you'd like to talk about, you can unmute yourself. Oh, yes, Douglas. Good evening, brother. Yeah. Oh, yeah. So, yeah, they're going to be the same trades. Yeah, they're going to be the same trades. Yeah. So I'm going to be having same trades majorly. Uh, Only for those in copy trading, sometimes they'll be having different uh more trades, but then it's to maintain the effectiveness. We're going to be having same move. Yeah. So those in copy trading, those in risk and money management, we shall be having same trades, but just that um they are in risky money and emotions management discipline growth. For you, getting you'll be getting entries before us entering and before I share it in the group trading, because for group trading and group trading there will be sharing after having took the what? After having took the entry and when the market has already moved. But in risky money and emotions management, I'll be sharing to something like this. Then I show where we're going to enter from. Then we wait for confirmation. When we get confirmation, then that's when I'll be making a group call for us to enter. When we have not got a confirmation, then the market has just gone through our zone, then we shall not be entering. Yeah, so we are going to be having some moves. Yeah, that is it, Douglas. You're welcome. Oh yes, Mr. Peter Kungu. Mm, welcome, brother, and nice to have you from Tanzania. Yeah, yeah don't anything you'd like to consult or an inquiry, don't fear to reach out to my inbox. Yeah, so it's a very transparent move, and the move not to only make us money but also help you guys grow the skill. Yeah, so that yeah, by the after some years you can have very many profitable, consistent traders, and this is something that you can extend to your children. Yeah, so that your children don't face this um job 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 world, employment world, whereby the um jobs are not there, jobs pay a little salary. You take your child to university, and then you pay like $500 each semester, and your child just gets out of university to only earn 400K. Yeah, so everyone, while we look forward to make profits, also be learning while we keep on having the different meetings, keep attending them, and then I'm going to also be creating more different YouTube lessons. Yeah, to reach out, make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel to be following. Yeah, I'm very determined to see that we move together for the next 20, 30 years. So don't give up. Let's keep on moving together through ups and downs. I'm very sure that, yeah, the sky will be the limit. Yeah, so you're welcome, Mr. Congo. Yeah, though we also have that name in Uganda, and I thought that you are Ugandan because I have a friend called Kungu, and he's a Ugandan. Yeah, so you're welcome, brother. That, mm, Douglas, you're raising a hand. Mm, mm, yeah. Mm, mm, mm. Oh, but but yeah, that quite trade could do what? Mm, the money it makes. Yeah, but quite a trade, even if it has made a lot of money, even if it has made small money, it's a quality trade. Mm. Yeah, and even if it has hit stop loss, then as long as you follow the discipline, then it's still considered a quite what? A quite trade. Yeah, so it's not measured in money. The Yeah, as long as it has made us money, be it good money or not so big money. Yeah. So don't be surprised when you see a trade. When you see that today you had a trade, it made today we had a trade, it made $300 in group trading, and then the next day we had a trade, it made only $50. It hit our trading stop loss. Yeah, so don't be surprised. Yeah, that's all. Anyone else with a question or concern? Madam Barbara, how are you? Oh, that's good. Are you are you fully contented, or do you have any question or anything you'd like to supplement? Oh, okay, dear. Hmm. Okay, everyone. If there's anyone else with a question or question, kindly you can reach out to my inbox. Yeah, but let's stop here for now. Yeah, we shall be having another session tomorrow for those in risk and money management program tomorrow. So if you'd like to attend, then you'll be joining. Yeah, but for now, allow me close from here. Have a blessed evening. May the Almighty God be with you. Yeah, let's keep on praying for each other for good health and success in everything that we do. Yeah, because without God, we cannot do it on our own. I wish you a good night.